Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to keep rabbits out of my herb garden. And depending on where you are, either rabbits are very rare, and in some cases they can really get in and destroy all of your crop. And it's not just carrots those rabbits are looking for. They like a variety of our leafy greens, tomatoes, and pretty much everything that's grown in our garden. And they can just sneak in there at night and really wreak havoc for all your hard work. So although there's certainly options like trapping them, and there's even some rabbit repellent types of chemicals that are out there, but unfortunately you have to apply that on a fairly regular basis if it works at all sometimes. So I find that one of the best approaches is actually to go ahead and put some chicken wire up. So we want to make sure that the holes in the wire are actually small enough to keep the rabbits out, even the smallest ones, and those little pesky rabbits can actually squeeze through a pretty small opening. I generally recommend that you start with about a 3-foot high fence, and we're going to bury that about 6 inches to a foot into the ground. If you have any sort of limited mobility, you may want to use a smaller height because ultimately you have to be able to step over it, or you have to go and build a gate into your garden so that you can get through the chicken wire yourself. So make sure that you go ahead and find some chicken wire at your local gardening supply store, ideally about 3 foot. You're going to want to get your shovel. Go ahead and put some stakes out around your garden and bury it down about 6 inches to a foot so that you can step over it carefully but still keep those pesky rabbits out. And then we can go ahead and grow our crops, keeping them away from a variety of different rabbits and other critters that may get into it, and enjoy your fruits and vegetables and all those wonderful carrots all by yourself. So this is Bob Lindy talking to you about how to keep rabbits out of your herb garden.